My name is Raeland Mendoza. I am the creative director and designer for Heldenform, and today I'm showing off my Spring/Summer 26 collection to Sid from FAIRFAXISDEAD. So part of this Spring/Summer 26 collection really is about expanding the types of products and the world of Heldenform. So this is a mid-crown, kind of like vintage silhouette hat, made all from the offcuts of our Kazushi set. So that's why it's the same colors as the chore coat, and the pant that you're wearing has the metal hardware throughout, which I really love. On the strap back closure, it's all chain stitched throughout as kind of this homage to like a martial arts belt.
I see.
So this is the gym tee in both brown, black, white, black. And it's just a really fun kind of like summer t-shirt for us. A little bit lighter than our usual, kind of like really heavy triple stitch work t-shirt. It's really just a nice addition to the lineup.
I do love
the triple stitching, which is a signature for Heldenform, as well as even just the contrast of the brown and black. So up next we have the yarn dyed seersucker Kazushi work shirt. So shirting is going to be a big element that it starts in this season, and we're going to be drawing upon it. This fabric is always the connecting point from us going from fall 25 to Spring/Summer 26. So it contains a lot of the same like brown hues that we see in that first collection, while also having little hits of that cobalt, really bright blue in there. Also with seersucker, it's woven with a lot of alternating tension, so it creates kind of like this really cool texture effect as well. We also match the micro check pattern throughout the shirt, even with the triple stitching.
I did notice that's not something that people will understand who aren't coming from a fashion background.
Yeah, so what that kind of means is like the grid of the micro check runs seamlessly throughout the shirt without breaking visually to the eye.
Higher expense.
Definitely very hard to do. And then up next is a really special piece. So in Spring/Summer 26, we see the introduction of another family of garments called irimi. That's another martial arts principle, which means entering your opponent's space. Specifically today, I wanted to take a look at the big short. Pretty simple, self-described, but it's a really dramatic contemporary silhouette, really big surplus pockets, in this over-dyed, fabric-dyed herringbone canvas, which is new for this season for us. And you can see I even triple stitched the side seams, the pocket entry, so it feels still very like Heldenform.
Let's talk a little bit about these buttons and rivets too.
So yeah, full custom Heldenform. It's kind of the building on the DNA that we really established in fall 25, coming into like this newer version for us.
It's fantastic. I'm most excited about this one.
Yeah, we'll definitely be trying that on after. And then for this season, we iterated on the Type 2 denim jacket, but for us, this is an over-dyed indigo sashiko. So what that means is we over-dye it at the fabric level with 100% natural indigo. And the result is this kind of like inky blue-black, almost raw denim, but because of the texture of the fabric, not raw denim. And then again, to make it kind of Heldenform, we added triple stitching where there historically isn't triple stitching, as well as we added the buckle back.
This is great. This really goes back to what we were talking about taking like a very staple piece, especially something that's like plays to an American denim jacket, classic style, but completely different with this raw indigo look, this sashiko fabric. It's really well done.
If that's the top half, we have to talk a little bit about the bottom half. You know, the pleated trouser that we're wearing, I really love it, but at the same time, some days I want something a little bit more classic. And this is what the 5-pocket pant comes in. So this is relaxed straight. It's closer to like a Levi's 505, 550 if you're kind of familiar. It's kind of subverting on a lot of what you expect a 5-pocket pant to be, but it feels also like a little bit new, where we added the slant pockets instead of the curved pockets to still almost make it a little bit more like a Carhartt pant, a little easier to get into. All the riveting, again, that back patch, and then triple stitching all the way throughout. And yeah, I think these two together kind of make this like idea of like an Americana suit, but at the same time, it's not that just quite, right? Like it's that idea of Kazushi subverted, whether it is